And here we are talking about understanding about JQ pipes. See, as a Linux lover, you might already know about this point. That is, Linux pipes are useful to pass one command output as an input to another command, like this. Now coming to JQ pipes are useful to combine multiple JQ commands logics with one JQ command. Let me show you that so that you can understand. See, suppose we have a file called sample.json. Now on this file I am applying a field filter called .name. Now see the result, you are getting some output. Now on this output, using Linux pipes concept, once again I am applying JQ command, and this time let me take field filter called, let's say, title. You can take any key. So you got some output. Now on this output, once again I am applying JQ command using Linux pipes concept. Now this time I am using a logic with some function. As of now, you don't worry, just take this function as it is for your practice. Now see the result. You are getting output as 2. It is because of you are having 2 characters in this string. And here if you observe, you just combined multiple JQ commands using Linux pipes. Now whenever if you combine multiple JQ commands with Linux pipes concept, in that case, instead of repeating your JQ commands multiple times, you can write only once. And whatever the logics you are having for your JQ commands, those logics you just combine them using pipe. And then that final logic you just place here. I mean like this. So first command logic is .name, then pipeline. Second command logic is .title, pipeline. And then third command logic is length. That's it. And then whatever the input you are providing for your first command, that input you just provide here. Now see the result. For this command and this command, you got same output. That's it. And also only for field filters, you no need to take pipeline. Even without pipeline also it works. See that? You got same result. And be clear, don't remove this pipeline between your field filters and functions, and also between functions. You can remove this pipeline only in between your 2 field filters. That's it. Now let me give one more example. See, suppose we have a file called iam-users.json, and here in this file, for a key called users, the value is an array. Now I want to take one by one value from this array. Then in that case, if you remember, we have a syntax called key called users, then on that iterator filter, then your input. Now you are getting one by one item from your array. Now suppose from each item I want to get, let's say, username. Then in that case, one way is on this output, apply your JQ command with field filter called username. Now see the result. You got username from each object. And if you observe here, you just combined 2 JQ commands using Linux pipe. So in that case, what we can do? We can write JQ command only once, and then the logics which are there in your JQ commands, those logics we can combine with pipe like this. And then for your first command, whatever the input is there, that input we have to pass. That's it. And only if you are combining 2 field filters with the pipeline, then in that case you can remove that pipe. I mean like this. But don't keep any spaces between your 2 field filters. Now see that? That's it. Okay, thank you.